Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make the font size bigger on your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the settings menu on our phone, so however you normally would access that. And now underneath device, you want to left click on display. Now you want to left click on font size. At this point, you can select different font sizes here, so if you wanted to make it large, you can do so. And you can see the font size has changed appropriately. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.